Hey, it's Skillbyte here. So I got the key to my door. I can unlock it, but then when I try to pull the key out, it doesn't want to come out. It wants to lock before I can pull it out. Well, what's the deal? Yeah, I'll show you what the deal is. Right here, my finger. That's the lock. That's the cylinder for the lock. And there's a metal bar that runs down right to here. This is your locking mechanism. And the problem is this bar is slightly bent, so I need to straighten that up just a little bit, and that'll allow the key to be in the right position so that it'll be allowed to pull out of that cylinder when it's actually unlocked. All right, you can see the lock cylinder in there. You can see the clip. So if you wanted to remove the lock cylinder, that clip right there, you slide it over and that will release the cylinder. Now, I'm gonna see this right here? Yes, that is the clip. So if you pull that out, that will release it. Now, before you do that, and in order to fix my positioning, you see that yellow right here, this plastic? I'm gonna slide that towards the front of the inside of the door hinges. Okay, and then I pull that out. Man, I hope you can see that. All right, so that's gonna loosen the top. You look from the bottom, hopefully you can see, and there it is. You could actually work this out, and in fact I think you can pop that out right here. This clip right here, you can pop that out. That'll give you full access. But this is the rod that moves the lock from the door, and I just need to straighten mine a little bit. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it is bent straight. Bent straight. I straightened it out a little bit, put it back in the clip, and now lock, unlock, this back up and out. So now it works like it's supposed to. And pull it out. Boom. All right, hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.